How's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another daily Pokemon pack opening. Please like and subscribe to see more daily pack openings. Got ourselves another Lost Origins pack here. Trying to pull us a cool alt art. Don't really care which one. I mean, obviously the Giratina would be amazing, but just looking for an alt art would be fantastic. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day today. Got one more pack in the booster box. Then we'll be starting another booster box. A Silcoon Reverse and Vileplume Hollow. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. See y'all tomorrow.